Today we'll be replacing this cabin filter on the Nissan Versa 2007. I'll put a link to this filter below. I just got it from Amazon. And basically all the models between 2007 and 2019 are very similar. This is a very simple and easy procedure. You can do this at home. All you need is a screwdriver and maybe a pair of pliers, and you can get this done. So we'll start by going underneath the glove compartment, and you'll see that we have 4 screws. 1 here, 2, 3, and 4. Those are all Phillips or star screws, and you can just remove those to start. Once you've removed all 4 of the screws down there, you open this up. And now it's time for 4 screws up here. Same thing, also Phillips star screw. Once you've got all 8 screws removed, you're going to just pull back, and then you have to disconnect this electrical connector right here. Press in, pull back, and just remove the whole glove compartment. So this is the cabin air filter we'll be installing, and if you go in behind where the glove compartment is, if you go to the left, you'll see it right here. It's just vertical here, and it just pulls right out, and you just put the new one in. Just wiggle this out. There it is. Yeah, this one has definitely seen better days. It definitely needs to be replaced. Now when you install your new filter, you just slide it right in again. Make sure this tab goes on the inside there where it's supposed to go. Push it down, it locks in, and there you're done.